Lumboy. Duhat. Harvesting our duhat, ah. Meron kaming duhat, pero kaunti lang ang bunga. Enough, bye-bye. Enough. Our lunch for today. Nagluto ako ng masarap na ginataan. Ginataan na gulay with fish. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Sarap. Interested si Yuri ngayon sa paggawa ng videos. So, nag-record sila kahapon ng kanyang papa. First video ni Yuri about making slime.
I'll show you how to make slime.
Yuri's first vlog.
Okay, we're happy to
And then mag-edit sila ngayon ng mga videos ni Yuri kahapon. Nag-film sila.
All do what now?
Nag-film sila kahapon ng first vlog ni Yuri. He's very interested into making videos. But your videos really is cool, Kuya. It's educational. How to make a slime from scratch.
Yeah, so in the next episode, I'm gonna show you how to add colors
To the slime?
Yeah.
But you don't have slime anymore.
Go buy colors.
Wala kay Sanina. Yum, yum, yum. Naked. Ah, beautiful. Wow, nice.
Ice cream, do not break it.
Ice pop eraser.
Can I cut little? I need for my camera.
So, napanalunan ni Yuri to sa kanyang school. Nakasagot daw siya ng tama sa question ng kanyang teacher. Mia, ice cream? Mia, ice cream. That's not a real ice cream, baby. That's eraser. Napanalunan ni Kuya.
She gonna buy.
No. Good job, Kuya. You did a great job. You definitely had fun, right? In school today. You also get lollipop ice cream from Mama.
Who made it?
I bought it yesterday.
Where did you put it?
Where did I buy it? I bought it in Dumaguete.
That's it.
Yummy ice cream here.
What is this ice cream?
Yummy. Mia asked for balay-balay. Gusto niya maglaro ng... You want to play balay-balay? Bahay-bahayan. Balay. Kuya, play, Kuya. Balay-balay with baby sis. Balay, yes. Bahay-bahayan. Ang bahay-bahayan ni Mia. Go. La, maulog ka diya ron. Yeah, take off your uniform, change clothes. Ma-dirty man na imong clothes from the school pa man na. Laro sila ng bahay-bahayan daw. Where's Kuya? Go find Kuya. In the cave. Kuya's cave. Papa Dem is cooking dinner for tonight. He is the sexy chef tonight. I'm editing video here guys. Pero kakatapos ko lang. Ang sakit ng likod ko. Kakaupo sa aming matigas na chair. Wow. Beautiful afternoon. Luto ako ng pasta para sa mga bata. Lagyan ko ng broccoli. Tapos, lagyan natin ng ground beef. Parang Bolognese style. Ito ang ground beef. Habang kami ni Baby Mia, nasa bahay nga lang kami at nagluto-luto ako, nagpaglaro kay Baby Mia. Si Kuya Yuri at si Papa ay mag-hiking daw sila dito. Malapit lang ito sa amin, mga 5 minutes walk lang itong bridge na to. May magandang bridge dito. Maganda ang view. Kaso nga lang nakakatakot kasi sobrang lalim niya.
Так, малышкин. Ух ты. Ой. О. Да, малышки. Бананы, все дела. Моя бунта. I don't know how to go there up. Here? That path? Okay, thank you. Go. Так, еще кемпинг-место. Красота! Все, пошли мы обратно. Все, let's find ice cream. Morning. Thank you. Morning.
Papa, for babies is so.
Okay. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you much.
But this one is like seeds, but
This
they're
one?
not brown. Uy, I forgot this for closing.
Hold. Boloj. Okay? Bye.
Yuri said my pasta smells really good. You said later. Mia.
We need next stuff.
Đang chầu ra như em. Ai à. Welcome.
After lunch, ayan, may nabili si Dimitri na bagong mga accessories niya para sa kanyang coffee maker. So, gagawan niya kami ng Miluccino at cappuccino. Napakasarap. Magaling na si Dimitri gumawa talaga, mag-design ng cappuccino. Guys, gumaling na talaga siya. Everyday siya nagpa-practice. Na bumalik na yung dating skills niya noong barista pa siya doon sa Russia. Noong teenager days niya, naging barista si Dimitri doon sa Russia. First job niya, yung pagiging barista. Ayan. May binili nga siyang, ang dami niyang mga biniling accessories para sa coffee maker. At napakaganda din naman kasi na-improve talaga yung paggawa niya ng cappuccino. Yan. Ang ganda diba ng mga design. Pwede na kami mag-open ng cafe dito sa bukid. Ano sa palagay niyo? I'm so happy today. Paint the picture of the sky. I can turn around. I can go upside down. Even when I wanna try, it's okay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and nothing's gonna bring me down today. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, tutuman. Nothing's gonna bring me down today.
Скажите, какая?
Where? I'm gonna patay this worm.
Worm.
Where? She's scared of this dead coral. This is a baby. It's a dead coral. It's like a rock. Look. Hold it. Look, Mama is holding it. It's very strange, yeah? It's very strange.
Baby.
Baby lang.
Tutu.
Tara, oh, butang na ko na diya, oh. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. It's not biting. It's a coral.
Tutu.
Baby, mana, wala man na milk. The baby don't have a milk. She's a baby also, just like you. You wanna touch it now? You wanna touch it? It's okay. It's not moving, Mia.
Wait.
You scared of this, Marshall? Back up. Samahan nyo kami. Maliligo kami ng hot spring ngayon kasama ang mga bata. It's fine.
I think.
Yuri, fix your slipper. Mia, monkey Mia. I want that lives in our monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey. Sounds like a bird.
Monkey.
So, ito nga pala ang hot spring dito malapit sa amin na yan. Natabunan yung mga pools dito dati. Natabunan dahil nadaanan ng bagyo at saka landslide. Pero ito ang itsura ng hot spring dati. Maraming mga maliliit na pools dito na pwedeng liguan. At every pool, iba-iba ang level ng init.
Мы сначала пойдем в холодненькую водичку, до Мичка, а потом в теплую.
Like in bathtub. You cannot fly. Yuri, maigo ng camera. Mia found her spot. Cannot climb. Aha, you're stuck. Mama side.
О, горячая ванная.
Diri ka, diri ka.
Papa. Mama, baby, just give me water.
Hey, hey. She's drinking it. Close your eyes. Guys, close your eyes. Thank you. Let's go down now. Mango. I like this mango. You should try this mango. It's new, it just fall down now. It's paho. It's a different, I think you didn't try this mango yet, this type of mango. Mia is leaking like that.
Вот так просто нашли на дороге, едим сразу.
Okay, Mia wants to take it all. Now it's hers.
It looks like a corn, Mama. Wait, I tried this mango
You tried this already?
at Alban.
Ah, Alvin's house.
Uh-huh.
Is it good? Sweet.
It was
Papa.
very fresh.
Так, попробуем.
More. Sweet.
Супер. Сладко.
Mia, don't let that go already.
Супер сладко. Вкусно, такое ароматное. Нави вот так чистит для Мии.
Fresh.
Интересно. Все?
Open, open, open.
Джекфруты везде. О, ой, испугался. For your bike?
Full seeds, na? I don't like it. Full of seeds. It's banana for monkey. Okay, monkey, that's yours.
Все, мы тут. Юрчик справился легко. Мичка у нас больше всех устала.
This is will grow that.
Вот такие у нас магазинчики здесь в стиле.
This? Chucky?
А здесь вид на горы. А? Пиля?
Nine five.
95?
Oh.
Okay.
Yo.
Платную.
So, man, pagpataas. Yan na. Idoot? Oo. So, yan na. Hindi mo tulon. Uy, ito man yung pagbuha.
Basta eskrito ng mga bata ani balo.
Go play balay-balay. What? Yes. Balay. Go play balay. Only you will play because Kuya is not here. Kuya is in school. Go, Mia! Play daw siya ng balay-balay. Bahay-bahayan. Yeah, go inside. Kuya later.
Mama,
Yes. Balay? Go inside. Go inside.
No.
No, scary. Cute. Yeah, let's go play. Come on. Oh, balay, balay. Go, go up, up. Go, go, Mia. Go, go, go. You're the strong girl. Go, go, go. Kaya mo yan, girl. Again, try again. 1, 2, 3, go. ito pala ang activities nila Kuya Yuri sa school today. Wow, very good. Nag-trace sila ng broken lines na vertical. Oh, gumagaling na si Kuya. Dati hindi siya marunong mag-trace. Ngayon, magaling na ang bata. Ah. Magaling na. At nag-color sila, nag-drawing. Ayan, napaka-dilim na. Pero maganda pa rin tingnan sa labas. Lalo na may moon. Napakaganda ng moon ngayong gabi dito. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood sa vlog na ito. And magkita-kita tayo sa sunod na vlog. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe. And maraming salamat po. Bye-bye! See you next time!